Today I am going to cook barbecue pork ribs on the grill. Sawadee everyone! Monday, new recipe! I'm Min. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. After weekend recipe, I wanted to eat some meat. So today, I decided to use my barbecue to cook See Krong Moo Yang or barbecue pork ribs. Are you ready? Let's go! First step, marinate the pork. Remove membrane. Add olive oil and spread it out. Add 2 pinch of salt, 2 pinch of black pepper, chili powder, and rub it over the meat. Flip it and do the same on the other side. Let pork marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. During that time, let's grill bell pepper. You can use the gas or a cooking torch if you have one. Make sure the whole pepper is covered with black. Now remove all the black skin. And clean it. Dice it and save it for later. Peel the garlic. I cut onion now, but we will use it later. Next step, boil the pork for 1 hour. In boiling water, add garlic, bay leaves, 2 pinch of black pepper, salt, and your meat. Cover it and let it cook for 1 to 2 hours. See was supposed to buy me a charcoal, but he forgot, so I have to go buy a charcoal and I will bring you with me. Time for the barbecue sauce. Add oil in the pan. Add onion, some salt, stir. Bell pepper, stir again. Add some black pepper, some water. Add sugar. Mix well. A bit more sugar. Stir again. Add chili sauce. Add ketchup. Mix a last time. And blend it. Almost done. Now we are going to grill the pork ribs and do the Thai sauce. Brush some oil on the grill. Brush the barbecue sauce all over it. Be generous. Flip it. And brush barbecue sauce on the other side. I know you like it, Project, so I will make Thai sauce by mortar. Pound garlic and chili. Add palm sugar. Fish sauce. Fresh lime juice. And a bit more fish sauce. Oh, I will try without sauce first. Inside is very tender and outside is crispy. It's very good, even without sauce. So now let's try with the sauce. Oh. So let's try barbecue sauce. Honey, I like it. I'm cooking, so it's fine. Nice enough. I think it's not enough.
Yeah, me too. It's just as you say, like inside very, very soft, very tender. And the little crispiness outside.
You mix monster. เอ้ย Thank you Ashley for the shout out. She also have a great cooking channel, Zesty. Check her out. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share, leave me a comment if you want, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย อืม